Couples Tower Isle is an all-inclusive resort that has 226 rooms. We have Private Island, which is the favorite of all guests who come here. That is the attraction. On the beach, we offer scuba diving. There is kayaking, sailing, windsurfing, water skiing, and there is a pontoon boat that takes guests from the mainland to the island. And if you're not experienced in snorkeling, we offer snorkel clinics. We have a glass bottom boat ride that leaves from the resort at 9:30 in the mornings. We have 3 main pools. The swim up pool, which has a pool bar, and there is a main pool where clients can swim for exercise, and also volleyball that happens in the pool. We have 4 tennis courts, and the spa is there, the Spa Villas, and you get unlimited spa services when you're booked into a spa villa. We have from the deluxe garden rooms to the superior ocean, and then there is deluxe ocean. We have the 1-bedroom suites and the garden junior suites, ocean junior suites, and the premier ocean suites. And they're all ocean view, except for the few garden rooms. Most of our guests come here just because it's actually very close to the beach. So you walk from your room right down to the beach. Because of the length of time that we have been open, several of our guests, they have been coming here for over 30 years, and they think that the staff is what makes this place what it is. The food also is a high point for this resort, and as I said before, the island.